Hey, beloved, let's decorate my prayer journal using the beautiful images from the December Prayer Planner Kit as we reflect on Psalm 82. This week, we're diving into themes of justice, God's authority, and compassion. I've chosen the scales of justice to remind us of God's call for fairness and righteous judgment, especially as we stand for the oppressed. The throne represents God's ultimate authority, calling us to reflect His rule in all things, while the divine assembly reminds us that we are called to uphold His ways. The broken chains symbolize the liberation Jesus brings, breaking the power of injustice over us. The crown, whether worn or fallen, shows the authority we are entrusted with and the dangers of corrupt leadership. And of course, we can't forget the image of Jesus holding and caring for children, capturing the heart of Psalm 82's call to protect the most vulnerable among us. I loved using these images to decorate my prayer journal because they bring the powerful truth of Psalm 82 to life. Each symbol helps me stay focused on justice, compassion, and the reminder that God's authority is supreme in every area of life. Let's fill our journals with these beautiful reminders of God's call to justice and mercy.